project entitled as Footstep Power Generation. It is a mechanical-oriented project which clubs with electrical. The main concept of the model is to generate electrical power. Footstep power production has many models like piezoelectric generation, which is simply called POGEN, but we designed it having essential requirements like cam disc, gear mechanism with 1:3 ratio, chain and sprocket system, shafts, flywheel, bear housing and a generator. Now we are watching the block system after connecting all the components. The first hand points you towards the cam mechanism and the second hand points you towards 1:3 ratio gear mechanism. This is the entire assembling of components. Before fixing, make sure of its rotation. After the entire fixation, the footstep setup look like this. Footstep power model can withstand a weight of 60 to 70 kg. The mechanism of cam disc, chain sprocket, flywheel and gear increases its energy in a ratio of 1:6. Simply, it can be said that for only 2 or 3 footsteps, it can able to glow 1.2 volts LED. Now we are watching the free axial movement of foot. A multimeter is fixed to the output of generator. The generation of voltage is shown using a multimeter, which is a DC energy. It could reach a maximum of 18 volts DC. 10 LEDs connected in series to the generator output. Each LED is of 1.2 volts. You could see the entire mechanism running inside. By simple locomotion of foot, how the energy liberated easily. Now the generated output connected to 9 volts bulb. The bulb glows deliberately. After some moments, you could see how the bulb put off as the energy generated is more than 9 volts. Now the output is connected to 21 watt 24 volt bulb. You can now observe how the luminous intensity of bulb gradually increases. From this project, we are able to produce energy from a range of 1.2 volts LED to 21 watt bulb. So by the installation of such a model in places where crowd is high, energy can be deliberated, which further used in small applications like street and garden lighting, LED message displays.